Have you ever wondered what life would be like if time flowed backward? Imagine a world where clocks tick in reverse, where people die before being born, and every cause follows its effect instead of preceding it. It sounds like science fiction, but some scientists believe this might not be entirely impossible. Could there be a universe out there where time runs backward? And if it's real, what would it mean for our own understanding of reality? Let's dive into this mind-bending concept. First, what exactly is a reverse time universe? In simple terms, it's a hypothetical parallel world where the arrow of time runs in the opposite direction to our own. Think of time as a timeline. In our universe, we start at one point, the past, and move forward to the future. But in a reverse time universe, that timeline moves backward. What's future for us might be the past for them. In this mirror universe, every event that we think of as history would be ahead of them, while events we see as possibilities would already have happened. Now, could such a universe actually exist? Believe it or not, modern physics hints that it might. The concept of time symmetry suggests that time doesn't have a strict forward-only rule. In quantum mechanics, certain equations work just as well when time is reversed. These laws, for example, those governing particles like antimatter, suggest that the physics of a reverse-time universe could be entirely plausible. Some scientists even speculate that when the Big Bang occurred, it might have created two universes, one like ours, and one where time flows backward. But here's the wild question. What would life look like in a reverse-time universe? From our perspective, it would be incredibly strange. People would die before being born, growing younger and smaller with time. A broken vase would leap back together instead of shattering into pieces. Rain would rise from puddles instead of falling from the sky. Every chemical and physical process, from digestion to combustion, would play out in reverse. In their world, what comes last for us, like decay or completion, would come first. Cause and effect, the very backbone of how we understand events, would flip. Could we ever travel there? This raises an even bigger mystery. Theoretical models like wormholes suggest that parallel universes could be connected somehow. If they are, perhaps one day we could reach a reverse-time universe. But even if we did, we'd face a paradox. Interacting with their time might be impossible because their cause and effect is fundamentally opposite to ours. Communication alone would take some incomprehensible form where consequences precede actions. So, while we may not yet be able to rewind the clock, the mysteries of the multiverse might already be playing out in ways beyond our understanding. Who knows? Maybe the keys to solving time itself lie in a world where it runs backward.